Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down, unplugging, and removing the watch to avoid shorts. Once done, remove the charger screws. Keep them organized by size because tiny differences matter. Use a spudger to pry seams slowly. Plastic clips can snap if forced. You're opening to access the coil and PCB, so document connector positions with a quick photo. Make sure to work on a non-static mat and have a multimeter ready. That lets you verify continuity before any reassembly. You now diagnose the charging circuit. Visually inspect the coil, traces, solder joints, and surrounding components for burns or lifted pads. Then use the multimeter to test coil continuity and diode behavior. A dead coil or shorted diode explains no charge. If a trace is broken, scrape, lacquer, and bridge with solder. If the coil is damaged, swap in a matched replacement and reflow connections carefully. Make sure to avoid excess heat. Use a temperature-controlled iron to prevent delaminating the PCB. You finish by reassembling the charger in reverse order, ensuring foam and adhesives return to support and align the coil. Once closed, perform a bench test. Check 5V input and expected output behavior with the multimeter, then try a low-voltage charge with the watch. If charging fails, make sure the USB source is good and recheck solder joints. If persistent, suspect the controller IC or firmware fault and consider swapping the PCB per a donor unit. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, wiggle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.